千年等一回啊，终于用塑料英文和马来西亚夫妇有效沟通，促成了一单国际贸易啊。Do you like this one?
I have already that size.
You have this size.
So I don't have this size.
Only this.
This one now 4,000. 1,000 I take now.
No.
Please, okay lah.
Now in China, watch and bag cheaper than another
No,
country.
expensive.
No expensive. You can search in internet. This one look very new. That's very old. Dirty.
Keep this.
Okay.
This one all original.
Yes, all original. Not fake.
No fake.
Yes.
So this come with box.
No box. I can give you this bag.
That's that.
Yes.
Okay, 4,000 I take it.
No.
Okay, thank you.
No.
Share.
No. Sorry. No.
Okay lah.
I give you last price.
Slightly less, please. Okay, 4,200.
I give you this price. If you want to buy, you just buy.
And
4250 half. You take 250.
Oh,
I take 250. 4250.
Okay. Make a friend.
oh, make a friend.
Yes.
Make a friend. Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
Okay.
WeChat Pay or Alipay?
Alipay.
Okay.
Receipt.
For you.
Allah.
Okay.
You don't have English?
What is this?
Just Chinese. This
Name.
name, number inside. Every LV bag
Yeah.
have
Serial number.
Yes.
Okay.
This paper, but this one no paper.
No paper.
Only watch have paper. Bag no paper.
Let me translate for a second.
Yes. Do you have WeChat? WeChat can
WeChat.
translate. First, take a photo.
Take photo.
Yes. Then send in WeChat. You can send anyone.
To me.
Yeah. To you.
Send to.
Send a message. 然后 give the photo. Choose photo. Yes. Wait. Translator.
Oh,
Yes.
very good.
Yes. Then you can see.
Alright. Cargo name, number, watch band, certificate, box, and price. Alright.
Yes.
Okay. PD40.
Yes. Then I write this number.
Okay.
DO2174. It's your telephone number. And then you write your name, date. This paper for you. I take a picture.
Postpay, Alipay.
Alipay. Okay.
I scan you.
Yes. Can you speak Chinese?
I can't speak
But
Chinese.
my grandmother is Chinese. But we
Oh.
cannot speak.
So you look like a Chinese face.
Really?
But I'm black.
In China also have some people
that's good.
look black,
Black.
but you look like Chinese.
Me?
Our,
Yes.
Oh, I'm like Chinese too.
Also.
Oh,
Also.
our
okay.
grandmother from here.
哦，奶奶从中国去了那个马来西亚，对吧？Malaysia. Malaysia good country.
You come before Malaysia? No.
No, I
Not yet.
come Thailand.
Thailand.
Ah.
And nearby.
Yeah,
Why
nearby. I know.
Suppose
Malaysia
you-
also good. Good.
People all
food,
friendly.
Okay, have
Yeah,
you got?
A lot of food.
Not yet.
This business yours.
Yes, my own.
You can speak
A little.
English.
Just a little. My English is poor.
But it's
But
okay.
good.
Still can communicate.
A lot
But
of
the
Chinese
people
cannot.
won't understand.
They don't want to speak with us.
I try one more time.
Okay.
If cannot, using mine.
Okay. You do business in China or travel in China?
Travel.
How long time?
I work at Auto Mechanica, Shanghai.
Oh, how long time?
Since last week, we go home this Wednesday.
Oh, last week.
Last 2 days.
Okay.
For this week, we are working by my own.
Oh.
Just.
Holiday.
Good.
I don't have this size. It's a big. Because no more in LV store.
Yes.
LV
This
store
one is
only
old.
30.
Hold on.
Yes.
Size 30.
I know. Yes.
It's a really authentic, old fashion. I like.
No more.
Yes. Local fashion. If you travel, you can take
Travel, put
just
everything.
clothes.
Just bring like this.
Yes. It's good.
How long this shop open?
3 years in here.
Before,
Before in another place. Yes.
this one how much?
This one is new type. You try WeChat Pay.
How to we check?
Do you have money in WeChat?
Yeah, I put money. Scan.
Yes, yes. Maybe you can go to the bank to get some money in cash.
You are not allowed.
Not support.
Huh? Not
看
support.
Yes. 2 time 出来，
2 hours later.
终于支付成功了，试了大概几十次了。
Finally. But
That is mine.
Yes, yes.
Finally.
It's you.
That's
Alright,
the-
this is mine, right?
Yes, this for
That's
you.
back.
I found the
the gift.
bag.
Great.
给他一个袋子吧。This original.
But no gift. As a gift.
Alright.
给你一个
Yeah.
盒子吧。
Ah.
Okay.
Take a Rolex.
Rolex.
Yeah. Any watch can inside.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay.
谢谢
OK，
谢谢
拜拜。
Bye.
OK。
Thank you.
OK，这么多老外啊，终于成交了一单啊，不容易啊！大家不要说这里的老外只看不买，终于成交了。